Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 14th of December. And first of all, national news. Over 40 documents planted on Stan Swami's laptop, US lab report claim. Disillusion with central leadership, Sikkim BJP chief quit post. 23 monkeypox cases reported in India till December 8 this year, Parliament told. Delhi police opposed play asking special prop in 2019 Jamia violence case. Foreign funding license of 1,811 NGOs cancelled in 3 years. Government. Smoke from farm fired in October, November in Delhi lowest in 4 years, a report said. India's cancer cases, deaths have increased since 2020, Union Minister. To mark 100 days of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, the Congress will organize a concert in Jaipur on Friday. 16 lakh cybercrime incidents reported since 2020, Minister in Parliament. All 22 sub-registrars in Delhi to be women, Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena said. Reach Delhi airport at least 3.5 hours prior to domestic departures, Indigo's advise amid crowd chows. China has its eyes on Tawang, Shashi Tharoor on Arunachal clash. Jammu residential commercial properties to get unique digital door number. British Library celebrated India ties with exhibition on Hampi. The Tata Institute of Social Sciences National Entrance Test 2023 registration process will begin from December 14, 2022. Cervical cancer vaccine could be developed in India by April-May 2023. Medical panel chief. Now international news. UN watchdog aims to secure nuclear plants, Ukraine PM. Twitter mistakenly labels Norway its PM and foreign minister as Nigerian internet mocks CAF. Kremlin hit by major flu outbreak, Vladimir Putin said to isolate in bunker. No heavy weapons placed at Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant, Russia. UK announced new sanctions against Russia, Iran. Need 800 million euros aid for energy sector, Ukraine's Zelensky. Talks on to remove heavy weapons from Ukraine nuclear site, France Macron. Firmly opposed all forms of terrorism, China on Kabul hotel attack. New Zealand to be smoke-free by 2025 passes world first law to ban smoking for next generation. China sent 18 nuclear aircrafts into Taiwan's defense zone in 24 hours. France called urgent international conference to raise money for Ukraine. Russia could resume trade with Germany if Putin end war, German Chancellor. Now some sports news. Shahid Afridi has claimed that captain Babar Azam is not taking advice from senior players in strategizing and planning. Luka Modric seeks to derail Lionel Messi's bid for World Cup glory. Spanish court acquits Neymar of corruption over Barca transfer. Iran footballer faced execution for campaigning for women's rights, a report said. FIFA World Cup. Morocco will take on France in the semi-final match. Now news related to business. Samsung Galaxy M14 5G Galaxy F14 5G get BIS certification may launch in India soon, a report said. Sensex rallies over 400 points as inflation eases below RBI's tolerance level. Rupee plunged 26 paise to 82.80 on robust dollar demand from importers. Decision on allocation of relief funds taken by previous government, finance minister. Banks wrote off bad loans worth over 10 lakh crore in last 5 financial years, minister. Vedanta partners with Japanese firms to develop semiconductor manufacturing in India. Digital Rupee pilot has blockchain components, features of physical cash, government. India will be first to auction spectrum for satellite communication, telecom regulator. RBI lifts informal NDF restrictions on banks, a report said. G20 finance track central bank deputies discuss coordinated approach on crypto assets. Center said 174 Chinese companies registered in India. Now, news from Science and Technology. Scientists inch closer to robots that can build almost anything, including other robots. Caltech astronomers' algorithm classified 1,000 dying star explosions. China map out a plan to put astronauts on the moon and on Mars. US to announce scientific breakthrough on fusion energy. Scientists discovered genetic markers behind human sixth sense. And that's all in news. Thank you.